how to add Outlook calendar to Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Outlook calendar with Notion in a super simple and effective way. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up your Outlook calendar. Once you're inside Outlook, look for the View option in the top menu. Then go into Calendar Settings. From here, you'll want to find and click on Shared Calendars. Now scroll down a bit to the Publish a Calendar section. Choose the calendar you want to share and make sure to set the permissions to can view all details. This is super important because it ensures that when we embed the calendar into Notion, all your events and details will show up correctly. After setting the permission, click Publish. Outlook will generate two links for you, an HTML link and an IX link. You'll want to copy the IX link. This is your magic link that's going to connect Outlook to Notion. Alright, with that link copied, head over to Notion and log into your account. If you're someone who prefers convenience, go ahead and click Continue with Google and choose the Google account linked to your Notion workspace. Once you're inside your Notion dashboard, go to the page where you want to embed your Outlook calendar. Now click anywhere to bring up the text box and simply type in Embed. From the drop-down, click on Embed. Now paste that IX link you copied from Outlook into the box and hit Embed Link. Notion will now fetch your Outlook calendar and display it directly within your page. And the best part? This stays synced. So any changes you make in Outlook like adding, removing, or editing events will reflect in Notion automatically. That's the power of embedding via the ICS link. To make it look cleaner, you can also resize the calendar block in Notion. Just drag the edges to make it fit perfectly with the layout of your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your Outlook calendar with Notion. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.